When you are in the farm, you have to live like how the farm runs. It's a different life that you will choose altogether. I wanted to shift back to my home place. The idea of farming itself was more fascinating to me than something else. We planted rambutan, mangosteen, and other fruit crops and all. The idea was that income should come at different times. Now, rambutan income will come in June, July. Pepper income will come in February, March. Arecanut income will come throughout the year. Throughout the year, we will be earning from something or the other. And having different crops in a land is always good for the soil. Be it maintaining the soil texture or fertility. Traditional crops are always needed. They have set a market locally. When you are running a farm, you are running a certain number of people along with you, looking after a certain patch of land. Whatever you put on that land will give you back. It has been hard, it has been flexible, it has been very adventurous. Not one single day I felt that, I should not have taken up this field.